Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Jileao 10-in-1 almond milk maker and nut milk maker machine. Highlight features or overview summary are include 10-in-1 versatility for every craving. From creamy almond milk and soy milk to hot porridge, rice paste, fruit juice, oat milk, and boiled water, nut milk maker machine does it all. Perfect for anyone looking to simplify healthy homemade drinks and meals with just one appliance. Please do not exceed the max water line to prevent overflowing. 12-hour delay start and keep warm function. Plan ahead with the 12-hour delay start, so your nut milk or breakfast porridge is ready when you are. The 2-hour keep warm function keeps everything at the perfect temperature until you're ready to enjoy. Family-sized power with silky results. The generous 35 ounces capacity and 8 stainless steel blades make enough for the whole family, ideal for busy mornings, brunch with guests, or prepping drinks for the week. Expect smooth, grit-free textures every time. Hassle-free cleanup in seconds. No more scrubbing. Just tap the self-clean function for automatic high-temperature washing. Plus, we include a bonus cleaning brush to make quick work of any leftovers. It's clean and tiny, easy to store. Ready to use, perfect to gift. Comes complete with 2 measuring cups, a cleaning brush, and an easy-to-follow user manual, everything you need to get started. Whether it's birthday or holiday gift, it's a thoughtful pick for any health-conscious kitchen. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.